Peace. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for subscribing. Now today I have a ton of cases that I want to talk about in this video and just basically show you, because we have cases for the Samsung Galaxy A30. So I'm going to take the case that's already on these phones and put them off to the side. Got the Coolpad Legacy, so I have cases for this one as well. So I'm going to take the case off, put that off to the side. Got a case for my Motorola 1/P30 Play 05 right here also. So let's put the case, the dual layer case, which I do love, off to the side. And I'm going to show you guys some really cool cases for all four of these devices. Take a look right here, we got a stack of cases. Now here we have all four phones. The Stylo 5, the Motorola 1, the Legacy, and the Samsung Galaxy A30. I mean, just multiple choice. Okay, I got the first one says A20, and if you have a Samsung Galaxy A20 or A30, it's gonna basically be able to fit, you know, like either phone. So that's gonna be pretty cool. So let me put this one right off to the side. It says A20, and you get two screen protectors, not one, two. Wow, that's nuts. You got two cleaning cloths. Let's put those off to the side. So you can put the screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy A20 or 30 if you so desire, but you can see right here, right now, I could just pop this in. Whoa, haha. That looks great. That looks really good. And look how deep the fingerprint is. That's like super deep. Let me see. Wow, so that's actually cool, because let me just show you. So that works perfectly fine. This is like a really dope case. I really like this case. Now let's just check out the lip that it's offering on here. And you can see all the cutouts, the speaker, the Type-C, and the headphone jack, and microphone at the top, fingerprint, the volume rockers, which feel really good on the buttons. And also this side is completely clean. So I definitely will be rocking this case. It's like a mint color. It almost reminds me of like spearmint winter fresh or something, a little bit lighter, but this color is really cool. It's like a teal. I definitely like that color. So I'm gonna put this one off to the side now, and you know, that's the first case. And let's put these off to the side. Now we have another case. It's gonna be for the A20 again. So we just got a different color. So let's just take a look at it. You do get all the same deal. You do get two screen protectors, two microfiber cloths also. And this one comes in black. So wow, it's got like this two-tone look to it. So this is like a glossy, and then you also do get this texture look as well. I'm gonna put that right on the case and pop that in, and boom, you can see everything just looks really good. Now this is just gonna be like that really smooth operator, like Men in Black, like suit on, tie on. You could go out on a dinner date with this one. This is gonna be your business case, everything like that. Fingerprint is deep in there, just like the other one. So these are basically the same case. So there we have it. We have our A20 right there. Let's go ahead and grab the first case on top, right on deck. And big shout out to Case Roo. These guys are nuts for sending all these cases out. I definitely appreciate these guys. Every year they do this. They send me out a lot of cases, and I definitely appreciate those guys over there. So we are getting a Coolpad Legacy case. Now this thing is huge. It has to be, because this thing is 6.4 inches. So let's pop it right in here, and everything just fit like a glove. Gosh. Let me see. So let me just show you right there. You do get the camera cut out. You do get these grips on the back of it to hold on to. You do get the side grips as well, which I'm loving about these cases. And then you also get that kickstand in the back. You pop that open, and you can see right here, you get the kickstand. So if you want to just prop that up, boom, you could go ahead and watch your movies and everything like that. I forgot to smell these cases. Doesn't smell like anything. These cases smell clean. Those cases smell really fresh. You can smell the rubber on this one. This one is really fresh. Let's test out the fingerprint sensor. That worked perfectly fine. Let's test out the volume rockers. That's the power button and fingerprint and volume rockers. Everything is working perfectly. So this case right here is official. Let me put this right down real quick. Put this packaging right off to the side. That's case number 3. Now we do have case number 4. So this says Legacy on it. Let's go ahead and take this out of the package. So we do have another Coolpad Legacy case, which I do appreciate Case Rule. Shout out to Case Rule one more time. Now there seems to be an inner portion with this one, and then so yeah, you can see that has like a nice glossy inner portion. Let's pop this right on the Coolpad Legacy real quick and see how that looks. So let me just go ahead and pop that off. Oh crap, I think I initiated my camera. Oh no, it's back on. Let's pop this into the Legacy. Fits all 4 corners snug, just like a glove. Yep. And so now let's see. You get all your cutouts at the top and at the bottom as well. Also on this side it's clean. This side you're getting the volume rockers and the power buttons with that nice finish. And let's press those. You don't have to press too hard. It actually works out just fine. Sometimes a lot of companies, when they make the cases, the buttons are a little bit harder to press, but this, you get that two-tone white and purple, which looks really clean, I must say. I could see myself rocking this too, you know what I'm saying? But that's the Coolpad case right there, lineup. And now we have 2 phones left. So we got 2 phones. We got the MOTO and we got the LG. So now we have 3 cases. And the LG Stylo 5 has the same case as the Coolpad one. So we're gonna try that out first. And let's put this right on there. And this thing also does come with 2 screen protectors right there. And you're getting that same exact deal that you got with the Coolpad one. Let's pop it into the Stylo 5, I mean. So alright, so now we got that in. Let's test the fingerprint. That worked perfectly fine. Feels good in my hands. The buttons are a little bit, you know, let's try that fingerprint work quick. Let's try the power button. That works good. It has a good feel. It feels like really, it feels like you're holding gel because it's a gel case. So it's really, you know, it feels like really mushy. Feels good in my hand. I like the feel of this case, and I definitely think it looks cool. Tell me what you guys think down below. I definitely think this is sick. So now that we got that on there, we got 2 more cases left. Let's open up this one right here, and this is for Moto 1 P30 Play. So I'm gonna pop that open, put this off to the side. Let's see what else we got in here. Same deal, we got the screen protector film. This is the soft one. The ones I was looking at earlier were the harder film. So that's gonna be a case that is going to be for the MOTO. Boom. So you can see right there, that fits perfectly. So now we can see right here, we got our screen. Everything looks really good. It says try again. Okay, boom. So you can see my screen, everything looks really nice on the MOTO, and the buttons are looking really nice as well. Power button, fingerprint, cutouts for the camera. The bottom has the cutouts as well for the speakers. One is a microphone. Top, you get the headphone jack also. So this is awesome. And you also do get that MOTO display when you wake it up. So I think that's sick. All right, finally, we got one more case left, guys. So you guys stay locked in. I appreciate you guys 100%. We also do have, oh wow, so this one is crazy because the screen protector that they put has that black on it, which is gonna blend in to the screen, which is dope. So that's for the LG Stylo 5. I'll probably throw that on there. Let me just put this back in here. I'm getting all of these bags mixed up, but we're gonna put that in there. And where's my Stylo 5? Right here. Take this one off, and we're gonna put this all black one on the 5. Went on really easy, feels really clean, looks rugged. Now I'll probably rock this one 100% of the time. This is like ninja, really stealthy, really business, professional looking. Just looks really official. Has all those grips. Even has the kickstand on it. Pop that off. It smells really fresh. Brand new. So that's that brand new case. You get the kickstand as well. Let's go ahead, fire on the fingerprint, and you can see right there, boom. Everything just looks official. I definitely appreciate this company for sending out all these cases, but tell me what you guys think about these cases from Case Rule. Anyway, make sure you guys stay locked in with me for more videos just like this. It's your boy Serrano, and I'll see you guys on the next video. In the meantime, hit one of these videos down below so you could check out more content just like this, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.